kg of
Apple.
apple. Okay, we don't know. So that I want to take, let x, write it, let x be the cost of 1 kg apple. Similarly, y be the cost
Sir,
of,
voice is not clear.
y be the cost of 1 kg grapes. Okay, let x be the cost of 1 kg apple and y be the cost of 1 kg grapes. Okay, see the first sentence, the cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes. 2 kg apples. Okay, the boy purchasing 2 kg apples. 1 kg cost is x, therefore 2 kg cost is given by 2x. Is it right? Okay, x is the cost of 1 kg apple. But in the first sentence, they are given the boy purchased.
Hello,
2
sir.
kg. Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, we can't see anything. Sir, we can't see. It's dark.
So we can't see.
Sir, your voice also not audible.
Now,
I'm
Sir, you
not
are
able
not
to
audible,
understand
sir.
anything, sir.
We can't see. Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, please make it bright, sir.
okay. Here y be the cost of 1 kg grapes. Okay. And okay. Next we shall construct the algebraic equations. First sentence, they are given the cost of 2 kg apples. 2 kg apples means 2 into cost of 1 kg apple, that is x. Next, and 1 kg grapes, cost of 1 kg grapes, it is y. Okay, how much? The cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes, how much it is? 160 rupees. Okay, that is equal to 160. Therefore, here we should put plus or minus.
Plus.
Here plus. Okay, therefore this become total cost. Okay, total cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes, this become 160. Therefore, this is equation 1. Okay, see the second sentence. After a month,
Sir, that is 4x plus 2y is equals to
yes,
300.
the cost of 4 kg apple. 4 kg apple means 4 into cost of 1 kg is x. That is plus 2 kg grapes. 2 kg grapes means 2 into cost of 1 kg grapes, it is y. Therefore, y, that is equal to 300 is given. That is equation 2. Okay. Next, therefore, we got 2 linear equations, okay, in 2 variables. Next, we have to find out the solutions for these equations. The solutions we have to find out. How to find solution? First, okay, in the given equation 2x plus y is equal to 160. Okay, therefore, here we have to find out the value of y. Y is equal to 160 minus
2x.
Okay, this is the value of y. Therefore, for this equation, second equation, what is the value of y? That is 2y is equal to
300 minus 4x.
Therefore, y is equal to 300 minus
300
4x
minus
by
4x
2.
divided by 2.
Okay, by 2. This is the value of y. Therefore, we shall construct a table for first equation. Okay. Therefore, first in this equation, value of x is given is, what is the value of x? 0. The first value x is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into 0 become 0. Therefore, y value is 160.
160.
Okay, y value is 160. Next, what is the value of x? Therefore, in this problem, what is the value of x? Next value, x is equal to 1,
Excuse me, sir, you are not audible.
x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5. Okay, put x is equal to 5 means 5 into 2 become 10. Yes.
150.
Therefore, y is equal to 160 minus 2 into 5. Therefore, to plot the graph, we will get easiest value. 160 minus 10, it is 150.
Sir, you're not audible.
Why? It's a network problem. Therefore, 5 or x value become 5 means it become 150. Therefore, write 150 is here.
Sir, I'm logging out immediately.
Yes.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Automatically logging out.
See, because of network problem, okay, I'll send this video to the YouTube. Okay, then you can watch, but now you can listen. Okay, first equation is over. Next, for second equation, construct again table x, y, x, y, x, y. Two values are enough. Therefore, x value, what is the value should be given? X is equal to 0. Okay, first easiest value we can give. X is equal to 0. Therefore, y become, therefore
300.
y is equal to 300 minus 4 into 0 divided by 2. Therefore, y is equal to 300. 4 minus 0 is 0 divided by 2. 300 by 2, it is 150.
150.
Therefore, right is 150. Okay, what is the next value here? What is the next value? 300 minus 4x by 2. X is equal to 1. No, x is equal to 2.
280.
Nothing. X is equal to 3. No, x is equal to 4. Or x is equal to 5. Yes, x is equal to 5 means 5 4s are 20.
5.
So 300 minus 20. Okay, we will get easy value.
280.
X is equal
140.
to 5. Therefore, it become y is equal to 300 minus 4 into 5 by 2. That is equal to 300 minus 5 4s are 20 by 2. That is equal to 280 now. 280 by 2,
280
that
by
is
2.
equal to 140.
140.
140. Yes, table is over. Next, plot the graph. Okay, everyone plot the graph fast. Fast. I shall start the, I will give introduction to the next concept. Let's plot the graph for this table. Mute it. Mute everyone. Okay, fast. Sharath, your problem over? Huh? Plot the graph. Okay. Plot the graph and show me. Fast. And also in last class, I given how to take. I told how to take a scale. Yes, how to take a scale. Okay, write it fast. Fast. Prashant over. Prashant. Harsha, show your graph. Harsha, show your graph. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಯೂರು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ, ಅರ್ಧ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಯಾರೋ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅವರೇ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ.
ಬಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಓವರ್. ಕೈಫ್. Show your graph. Switch on your video. Manya, Puneet, Vimala Nandan, Mohit, Manoj, Chaitra, Mandara, Puneet, Suhana. Okay, graph over now. Over. Graph plot ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Sir, I joined now, sir, before 5 minutes, so I need the question.
Okay, last class I given this problem, just I work out.
Sir, can I plot and send through WhatsApp, sir, please?
Graph, how to plot a graph, you know. See,
Yes, sir, I know.
fast I will show. See it. Okay, in graph, first plot x and y axis. Everyone fast. X and y axis. X and y axis. X and y axis. Here scale you should be take clearly. Okay, scale is very important. Here maximum value of y is, what is the maximum value of y? 160. Yes, 160 they are given. Therefore, how to take scale? 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units. Is it right? Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units. Okay, that's also possible. Okay, 100 units ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಸರಿ, 10 units. Write it and draw the y-axis also. Y-axis. Next, x-axis. X-axis pulling down because we are not having any negative x values. Minimum value is 0, maximum value is 5. Okay, therefore this
Sir, it is not
origin.
visible properly.
Right, like that. Okay, you can draw the graph.
Sir, it's too dark.
This is -1,
That is too dark.
-2. Too dark.
Huh?
Sir, we can't see nothing.
Okay, now minus 1,
No, sir.
minus 2, write it and put x and y
Sir, it is
values.
not visible, sir.
Sir, it is not visible.
Okay, you can plot the values.
Sir, it is so black. Yes.
Switch on the light, sir.
Sir, we can't see.
The video is not clear.
Right, minus 1, minus 2, minus
please.
3.
Sir, we can't see you. Sir, it's too dark, sir.
Okay, you can plot the
Sir,
values.
we can't see anything, sir.
Sir, please. We can't see your graph sheet.
Sir, it's not clear. We have put on the sheet. It's too dark.
Sir, it's too dark.
Sir, it's dark.
No, sir. Still.
No, sir.
Still, we
You
can't
can't
see,
see.
sir.
Sir.
No,
So
sir.
what did you do?
No, sir.
What you did in your home yesterday? Huh?
Sir?
You don't know this problem, Rauf?
Sir, we know, sir.
Huh? Then
Yes,
show
sir,
your
we know.
graph sheet. Show
Sir?
your graph sheet. Already 2 days are over. I given this problem as a homework. Sharath? Sharath, when will you come to the school? Okay, you can't see means you can plot this graph. Okay, I shall start the next concept. I think I also solved 3 problems. Okay, they're similar problems. You can plot it, and I give an equation also already. Okay, okay, right heading. The next concept. Next concept, write it. Graphical method of, why it is too dark? The camera problem. What I will do? Yes, I know. This is too dark. Graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations. Graphical method. Write it. Graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations. Okay. See, to learn this concept, okay, to learn this concept, before you should learn, okay, to learn this concept, the previous problem should be very important. Okay, it means up to this last problem, what we discussed is they are given a linear equation. Okay, a linear equation is given. Okay, they are given a linear equation. By linear equations in 2 variables. By using this equation, we find out the solution. Okay, this is one method. Next, by using this solution, we plot the graphs. Okay, this is the second method. Okay, we plot the graph. Okay. And in the third case, what they are given, some sentence problems are given. Sentence problems means that Akira goes to a fair, and the previous problem now, apple and grape problem, like that. Okay, they are sentence problems. Sentence problems are given, and by learning the sentence, okay, we construct the algebraic equations. By using these equations, we find out the solutions. Next, by using these solutions, we plot the graph. Yes, all these type of problems are over. Okay, but this graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation, this is applied level concept actually. Okay, this is applied level. See, in the first problem, like what is that? Akila goes to a fair. Okay, that problem. Okay, in that problem, what are the linear equations we got? What are the linear equations? Please tell me. In the problem, we got two linear equations. Let's tell me anybody. Ayan, tell me the linear equations in the first problem. Akila goes to a fair.
2x plus 3y equals 20.
Ayan,
2x plus
3y is
3y
equal to
20.
okay, one equation. Next equation.
Y equals half of x.
Okay, y is equal to half of x. It means 2y is equal to x. Therefore, x minus 2y is equal to 0. And 2x plus 3y is equal to 20. Yes, these are the equations. Is it right? Okay. And how we got the graph? We plot the graph for these linear equations. Okay. After that, how we get the graph? What about the two straight lines? They are coinciding or not? Sorry, they are intersecting or not?
Yes, sir.
We got intersecting lines like this. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and there is a 1 point. Okay, clear. Okay. For these two equations, we plot the graph. Therefore, the two lines are intersecting each other. Clear. This is one case. Leave it. Come to the second example. Two rails represented by the equations. See that problem? Tell me the equations. Two rails equations. Two rails equations. Tell me fast. Oh.
X plus 2y minus 4.
S x plus 2y
minus 4.
minus 4 is equal to 0. S. Okay, next.
2x plus
S.
2x plus
2x plus
4y
plus 4y
minus 12
minus 12 is equal to 0.
0.
Okay, minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, in this problem, two rails are represented by these two equations, and also we plotted the graph. Yes. Therefore, what type of lines we got? Parallel lines. Is it right?
Parallel lines.
Okay, like this. Okay, these two are the lines. Yes, this type of graph. Okay, we got for these two lines. Okay, mind it. For third equation, just Romila. Okay, that problem, tell me.
2x plus 2y equals 9.
Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased.
2x plus 3y equals 9.
Yes, what is the first equation?
2x plus 3y equals 9.
Is equal to 9. Next one.
4x plus 6y
Okay.
equals 18.
Okay. See this. Here, in this problem, means in these two equations, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, and here 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Yes. Okay. See, in this equation, in this second equation should be divided by 2. We already did. Therefore, 2x plus 6y is equal to 18 by 2 means 9. See this, first equation and second equation both are same. Is it right? Okay, first equation and second equation both are same. Therefore, how we plotted the graph for these equations?
Collinear.
What type of graph we got?
Collinear.
Yes, coinciding. Is it right? Okay,
Yes,
we
sir.
got coinciding lines. Like this. Okay, see, from these three graphs, see here, from the first graph means Aquila problems graph. Okay, here the two lines are coinciding in a common point. Is it right? Okay, the two lines are coinciding in a common point. Okay, therefore, what is the value of this common point? Yes, tell me. In that problem, what is this common point? What is the value of this common point? Yes, anybody knows? Fast. Time is less. Yes, tell me. What is the value? Don't know? Please check the graph.
Sir, 3.
No. Here these two lines are intersecting at a common point. What is the common point value I am asking? Common point value is
0, 3.
No. See the graph. That is 4, 2 now. Check once again.
4, 2.
Okay. That is 4, 2. This is 4, 2. Okay. Here the two lines are intersecting at one point. This point value is 4, 2. Means x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. This is the meaning. Therefore, the common point is 4, 2. Okay. What is the property of this point? Okay, what is the property of this point? See, we can put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2 in the first equation. Clear? And put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2 in the second equation. Sorry, second equation, this is x minus 2y is equal to. In the second equation, what is the changes observed? Yes, tell me. Check once again. Substitute x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Substitute once again. And for this equation also substitute x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Yes. Take it once fast. Sharat?
Sir,
What is your conclusion?
sir, I'm
Substitute
not
x.
clear, sir.
Huh?
I joined later, so I joined later, so I'm not understanding.
Why?
Sir, I joined late.
This is previous class problem. This is. Huh?
Sir, can I call you and clear?
Work out. Otherwise, problems become difficult.
Yes,
See, 4, 2. Yes. Here. Therefore, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Substitute in this equation. Therefore, 2 into x value is 4 plus 3 into what is the value of y? 2. That is equal to 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 2 no, 2 6 not. What is the solution? Please check the problem. That Aquila problem 2, 4 or 4, 2 actually. 2, 4 or 4, 2.
4, 2.
Yes. 4, 2.
Yeah.
No. Actually 2, 4 maybe. Check. In graphical method.
Checking textbook.
Aquila problems. Here, okay, 4, 2 is right. But the given equations are not 2x, it is 3x. See?
3x plus 4y.
Yes, it is 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. And 3 into, what is the value of x? X value is 4 plus 4 into y value is 2. That is equal to 20. Therefore, 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. 20 is equal to 20. Yes, 20 is equal to 20. Therefore, it is satisfied. Second equation, it is x. X is 4 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, what is the meaning? What is the meaning? If two lines are intersecting each other, if two lines are intersecting at a common point, therefore, if two lines are intersecting at a common point, that common point value which satisfies both the equations. Okay, that common point value is satisfies both the equations. Okay, clear? I will continue in the next class. Okay. Okay, thank you. Hey, work out in your home. But nobody don't know.
Okay.
Sharat, you can send your notes to my WhatsApp number. Sharat.
Okay, sir. Sir, by evening, sir.
You can send the notes from the starting. What do you mean by linear equation from